Example number 2. Solve y dx minus 4x dy equals y raised to 6 dy. So again, step by step, make this a standard form. So manipulating this equation, we have y dx. Let's just combine dy transpose 4 minus 4x dy into the other side of the equation. So we have equals y raised to 6 dy plus 4x dy. Then factor out dy. So y dx equals y raised to 6 plus 4x dy. So divide both sides by y. So we have cancel out. So dx equals y raised to 6 over y is y raised to 5 plus 4x over y, quantity dy. And divide both sides by dy. So we have dx over dy equals y raised to 5 plus 4x over y. So making this a standard form, we move or we transpose x piece of y. So what's x piece of y? So we have 4x over y. So transpose 4x over y in the other side of the equation. So dx over dy minus 4x over y equals y raised to 5. So this is a linear in x. So py now is equal to negative 4 over y. And q of y is equal to y raised to 5. So by the way, this is down the standard form. So after finding out the standard form, we now solve the integrating factor. So the integrating factor for linear in x is equal to e raised to the integral of p of y dy. So this is equal to e raised to the integral of p of y. P of y is negative 4 over y dy. So this is equal to e raised to negative 4 integral of dy over y. So this is equal to e raised to negative 4 integral of dy over y is ln y. So this is equal to e raised to ln y raised to negative 4. So cancel out e and ln. So this is equal to y raised to negative 4. So the integrating factor for number 2 is y raised to negative 4. So after finding out the integrating factor, we can now solve for the solution of our example number 2. So therefore, our solution is x that integrating factor is equal to the integral of integrating factor q of y dy. So substitute x times the integrating factor y raised to negative 4 is equal to the integral of integrating factor y raised to negative 4 q of y. Q of y is equal to y raised to 5. So y raised to 5 dy. So simplify, we have x over y raised to 4 equals, cancel out y raised to negative 4 and y raised to 4. So we have integral of y dy. So this is equal to x over y raised to 4 equals the integral of y dy is equal to y squared over 2 plus c. Answer. So that's the solution for example number 2.